Hey, it's Kate with WTI. When you're in need of a dependable face covering that's going to help protect yourself and others, I recommend checking out this KN95. I'm really happy with this set of masks. I feel like they fit really well. They fit nice and secure to my face so that I feel like I'm getting good protection or protecting others depending on when I'm using them, but I'm still able to breathe and I'm able to talk comfortably. They have 5 layers of protection, which I really appreciate. And I also appreciate that these different colors that are super fun that they come individually wrapped in packages of 5 each. So that just makes it really convenient for me if I am traveling on the go and I can just grab one of those packs and then have them with me whenever I need it. So that's really practical. And I also appreciate that they come in a bunch of fun different colors as well, which is always a plus for me. So if you're in need of face masks, I recommend checking these out. That's just my point of view.